Ever feel like you're stuck staring at a blank screen trying to write the perfect Instagram caption? Or wasting hours figuring out when to post that tweet for maximum reach? What if AI could handle all of that in your brand's voice? Hey there, I'm Samantha. And in this video, I'm diving into an AI tool that's reshaping how we do social media marketing. Stick around. This one's a serious time saver. Let me introduce you to Brandblast.ai, an AI-powered platform designed specifically for social media marketers, entrepreneurs, and agencies. It blends smart content generation with full-scale social media management. In simple terms, it helps you write better posts, schedule them for the best time, and track how well they perform, all from one dashboard. No more hopping between apps. Let's talk about what Brandblast actually does. First, content creation. Using AI, it generates posts, captions, even content ideas in your brand's voice. Perfect for those days when inspiration just won't come. Second, smart scheduling. It figures out the best times to post on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and more to get you maximum engagement. Third, performance analytics. It tracks what's working, what's not, and how your audience is growing. And finally, it's built for scale. You can manage multiple accounts, brands, and even collaborate with teammates if you're running an agency. Brandblast is for anyone who wants to simplify their social media workflow. If you're a solo business owner, this tool saves you hours. A content creator? You'll love the AI-generated captions that actually sound like you. Running an agency? Manage all your clients' brands from one place, with collaboration tools and client views built in. The biggest benefit? It automates the repetitive stuff and lets you focus on creativity and strategy. So who's this tool perfect for? Small businesses, content creators, social media managers, and marketing agencies. If you're juggling more than one account or struggling to stay consistent, Brandblast was built with you in mind. Brandblast.ai starts at $29 a month for the starter plan. That gets you AI content generation, scheduling, and analytics. There's also an agency plan if you're managing clients, with added features like team collaboration and client dashboards. Pretty affordable for the time you save. You might wonder, how does this compare to something like ChatGPT? While ChatGPT can write posts, it doesn't schedule, manage profiles, or track engagement. Brandblast does all of that in one dashboard, with AI tuned specifically for social media marketing. Now, a quick heads up. Brandblast doesn't yet support TikTok or YouTube Shorts scheduling. And like most AI tools, it's not always 100% on brand. So a quick review of its generated content is still a good idea. Here's a quick tip. Start by feeding Brandblast a few example posts from your brand. It'll learn your tone faster and give more personalized results. Also, use the content calendar feature to drag and drop posts across platforms. Planning your week takes 10 minutes max. And if you're running an agency, assign posts to team members or clients for approval. Smooth, right? If you're looking to level up your social media game without hiring a whole team, Brandblast.ai might just be your new secret weapon. It's smart, fast, and designed to keep you and your content consistent. Give it a try, and let me know what you think in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more deep dives into AI tools that actually save you time. See you in the next one.